Welcome to Da Nang. Good morning from a early morning this time. I mean 8:30 is not early, but this is how it looks at the moment. It is the first day everyone will work again, I think. It's the first day after Tet, the Vietnamese New Year. It went for a week. Today, every store should be open again, I think. Hopefully. I hope my banh mi store is open again. So, Eric, if you see this, open, please. I haven't had a banh mi for a good banh mi for, let's say, 1 month or something. But yeah. So it's morning. Yesterday it was Sunday and it was very busy everywhere. I want to see how it looks around this time of the day. Because this is around 9 o'clock. I like to go to the beach. I want to see how the beach looks in the morning. And since I want to have a healthy life now, I will also stand up earlier. Wake up, stand up. Then you can get some breakfast, English breakfast. Interesting. But this is the beauty of the morning here. It's not much going on. It's still busy, don't get me wrong. It's not like a ghost town or something, but it is very calm. You can already rent out motorbikes. Look at this. All motorbikes are gone for almost. That means the city is full. This is a very good indicator here. But yeah, I feel like the beach looks very calm and nice today. The ocean. I'm wondering how the nightlife is right now. It should be really busy because so many foreigners are here also. So this neighborhood here, nightlife should be busy, but I don't know where they go, to be honest. Because so many places are closed, and I gotta check out the bar street again. And I feel like the bar street will be closed soon too. And I mean, lots of bars closing. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they want to change the bar street into something else. You can get some juice now. So it's not a wood store anymore, it's a juice store. Also wondering about all those, oh look at this, currency exchange guys, if they're still here or not. Check this out. They made a restaurant out of that. Wow. Okay. Now the question is, what are they serving? I know this is a vegan place. I went here to the big opening party. I was not invited, but I walked in here. And I don't know what this is. Is it still vegan? Or is it another restaurant? Maybe it's just a part of this restaurant here. Kind of looks like it. Yeah. Vegetarian restaurant, guys. And they got a lot of space here. I'm wondering if they have AC here. Doesn't look like it. Oh, this is a coffee shop. Oh, look at this. FIFO by the beach. Coffee. Oh. Oh, so this is a coffee shop. Hello. Is it a new coffee shop? Oh, nice. Awesome. Just making an update video here, looking around. It's awesome, man. Cool. I will come and have a coffee soon. Have a good day. Nice. Looks like a proper coffee shop. It looks very professional. FIFO coffee. Oh. And you can also sit upstairs there, just like before, but it is a little bit more modern. So I think this is not a restaurant, this is the coffee shop space. Interesting. Wow. I guess we have another coffee shop at the beach, which is very good. We like coffee shops at the beach. Oh, look at this. Wow, that looks beautiful. I remember the last time, 2024 was like so, like it was just a sign, and it looked so cheap and bad. Now this looks very impressive. I think 2025 was over there. That was good too. But this now, wow, they upgraded. This is an upgrade. What a beautiful sign here with the beautiful flowers and everything. I think they should always have something here, because this is a little bit, the whole area looks a little bit ugly, right? Before that, it looked very ugly, and just the dogs came here to poop. No? And now let's check out the beach. So yesterday I heard from a German, Austrian couple, okay? Austrian couple. And not everyone who speaks German is German, okay? Austrian couple, they got, someone tried to steal their bag at the beach. So now I have a solution for you here. There are lockers here, in this place, okay? You can rent out lockers for 40K a day here. It's a little bit rusty, but it should still work. All right. So it looks very calm and nice here. This is the time I would go to the beach, to be honest. This is also, the sun is not that aggressive yet. The waves are still a little bit rough, but it's manageable. It's still not summer, I would say. This is not the summer season yet. It's not the good weather season. The good weather season is around April, May. It is great weather, and it is very unusual that the whole year of 2026 was so good. I have no idea why, but it's good, I'll take it. So I don't like rain and cold, but it should be rain and cold now too. It should still rain in February, but who knows? Last year it was completely different. There was rain until March, and the beach was completely gone and everything. You can check it out, because I have videos on every day, so you can check it out. Last year the beach was gone and it was raining the whole time. But this year it's good. Besides of hey, good morning. Now you see, I saw him yesterday already here. It's easy to spot me here. But yeah, this looks very bad here. And I have no idea why. Can I even step on it? Why it looks like this. Check this out. This is wide normally, and the beach here should be the same wide as here. So everything here should be way more wide. No idea. But Mother Nature. Photo shoots over here. But yeah, also you can come here in the morning. They are already open. I think you can even have coffee here. It looks so weird. It is so unusual. This was so wide. Everyone who was here the last years, you know how wide this was. Yeah. Kind of crazy. But yeah, there are already people on the beach, but it's still manageable. Photo shoots going on here. A lot of photo shoots going on. Lots of couple photos. Tripods are standing everywhere. This is also kind of newish. I mean, I saw it a few months now ago already. But there are surfboards here. Very interesting. That's good. Surfboards are always a good vibe. Just don't know if you can surf now. But here you can get coconuts and coffee on the beach. I'm not sure if they have lockers here as well. Maybe they have. So what the Austrian couple told me, someone tried to steal the bag, and then another person ran behind them, behind the guy. The guy was all in black. He wore all black, and then he dropped it when the guy almost caught up to him. He dropped it and ran away. So the people got their bag back. But yeah, these things happen, and these things always happen. But now with more tourists, I think it's also more juicy to steal here probably. Yeah. The Da Nang, the city, always has announcements to watch your stuff, because it happened before. And the problem here is, if you lay here very close to the street and you go into the water, it's so far away usually. Like now it's not that far because the beach is not that wide, but usually it's a wide, far beach. So don't bring your valuables or lock it in the thing what I showed you. But that's why you also watch this channel, so you know better. So don't forget to like and subscribe already, guys. Subscribing is free. Another surf spot here. Some people playing football, doing sports. So sometimes it's like, it's very busy in the morning. Lots of people come, locals come to the beach, doing sports. You can already see some motorbikes there. Not sure what they're doing there. Maybe they're fishing still. I see a whole motorbike gang. I mean, it's a scooter gang. And I don't think it's legal to be here with motorbikes. But I think they're cleaning up something, to be honest. Maybe they're cleaning up the beach. Someone also, a local, has metal detector here. So it's not only Western tourists who do the metal detecting thing. I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, everyone is back to work today. So I'm super excited to have my favorite dishes and everything working properly again. To be honest, I arrived on Saturday, and Grab and Sun SM, everything was already back to normal, to be honest. I mean, maybe Da Nang wasn't that bad with the clothing things. I mean, closure of businesses during Tet. If you like to take a walk, take it at this time of the day. The sun is still aggressive, but it's not that bad. I think 1 or 2 hours earlier would be even better. So it's Monday today. I don't hear a lot of noise at the construction here yet. But don't get me wrong, it will happen. There will be noise because this is going to be a big project. I just don't know. People like, there are actually some construction workers there now. The question is just, when will it be? Can you book those hotels still or not? I cannot tell you that. But you can subscribe and check, because I'm walking here often. As you know, this is my beach here. It's also what you want to see, because this is the most popular beach, I think, for Western foreigners. But because the other beaches in the north is a little bit more, it's also very busy. but I would say there are more Koreans, I think, or Asian tourists, in my opinion. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna meet a lovely Canadian couple and get some electrolytes for my walks. So thank you so much, Terry, for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out this video here, and see you on the next walk.